Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. And in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Spotify app to your Android TV, even without the Google Play Store app. If you find the video useful, like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So in your Android TV, if it looks the same like mine or if it doesn't, the process is the same. Go over to your browser or your search engine. I'm using the Google because I love it on my Android TV. So once you go over here in the search box, just search for Spotify. It's as simple as this. Come over here and search Spotify, and you're going to get the application. Here's it over here. So we are searching this on our browser because we don't have Google Play Store app. So once you search, you're going to get a result like this: Spotify Music and Podcast, Spotify Music and Podcast. So I don't know, I think this is the real one. So just click on this here for once, and you're going to get the install button. So just go ahead and install here. Spotify is designed and is compatible with lots of different devices. So once you install it, it is going to change its interface to suit your Android TV device. So that's how to download and install it. Even though I do not have the Google Play Store app, I can still use my browser as I've showed you in this video. And this should work for you. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.